Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have admin access and the page or template you'll edit. This saves back and forth later. Once confirmed, choose where the link belongs: header, footer, widget, menu, or inside a post, because placement affects available editors and styling. Next, format your number for browsers. Use tel plus 1,234,567,890 for international consistency, and choose readable display text like "call us." 123,456-7,890. You'll now create the actionable link. In the block editor, add a paragraph or button block, highlight text, choose link, and paste tel plus 1,234,567,890 as the URL. Save. If you use the classic editor, switch to text mode and add a href equals tel plus 1,234,567,890, call a slash a. Update the post. For menus or widgets, use a custom link and enter tel plus 1,234,567,890. Make sure to test on mobile since desktops may not invoke. Finish by styling and ensuring accessibility. Add a CSS class to the link or button and apply styles so it's visible and tappable. Make the hit area at least 44 px for touch. Add area label equals, call us at 123-456-7,890 if the visible text is short, and ensure keyboard focus is obvious. If the link fails, clear caching, disable conflicting plugins temporarily, and verify you used tel plus country code. If problems persist, inspect the HTML to confirm the anchor and protocol are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.